Rina de Mercedes Vice Mayor Attorney Harold Respicio has issued a challenge to the government following a series of protest actions demanding transparency and accountability over the alleged flood control anomaly. Daniela Paulita reports.
Attorney Harold Respicio challenged the administration to press forward with the investigation into the alleged flood control scandal if the government is truly sincere about fighting corruption. He insisted that the evidence gathered so far is already sufficient to file charges against those involved in the alleged anomaly. He added that if authorities still find evidence lacking, they should intensify their build-up instead of allegedly filing cases to silence those picking up on the issue.
Ipakita nyo muna na sincero kayo, na aktibo kayong magkalap ng ebidensya at hindi ninyo pinapatahimik at ipinapatigil yung mga aktibong investigasyon laban sa flood control scandal, hindi nyo kinakasuhan at pinapatahimik at ipinapakulong yung mga nagsasalita laban sa flood control corruption.
Respicio also defended Senator Rodante Marcoleta, arguing that he should not face imprisonment since he was among those who spearheaded the exposure of the flood control issues during the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee hearings. He noted that the flood control probe seems to have been sidelined once again after a new majority bloc was formed in the Senate, driving frustrated citizens to lose hope in the chamber and take to the streets in protest.
Ngayon pong nasa kanila na yung majority, bakit naging malamig ulit yung investigasyon tungkol sa flood control scandal? Ngayon po, nakikita natin na wala tayong pag-asa na dyan sa Senado at malamang wala rin tayong pag-asa doon sa House of Representatives dahil marami sa kanilang nabayaran.
Meanwhile, Respicio questioned the plan to turn former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunoan into a state witness regarding the flood control cases. According to him, declaring someone as a state witness falls under the jurisdiction of a criminal trial court and cannot be done when no formal criminal case is actively being heard before the court.
Kapag dineklara mo ang isang witness na state witness, ang magdedeklara niyan is yung criminal trial court. O nasaan yung kaso mo ngayon in which magi-state witness si Bunoan? Sino ang primary accused mo doon? Wala naman. Ibig sabihin, pambobola lang yung ginagawa nilang state witness kasi wala namang formal declaration na may state witness kasi nga wala namang formal na criminal case laban sa isang mas guilty na tao kaysa kay Bunoan.
Respicio further emphasized that if Bunoan becomes a state witness, it must be determined who the higher official or personality who supposedly holds greater accountability in the case. Recently, the Office of the Ombudsman announced its plan to turn former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunoan into a state witness and will ask the Sandigan Bayan to discharge him as an accused individual. Reporting for Newsline World, Daniela Paulita, Azamanahay News.